Bros dump truck and up a button. Hello?
Brooks, we've got a lot of work to do today. We have 3 different jobs that are planned out. Job 1, we need to fill a snake hole with some dirt. Job 2, we need to go spread some wood chips at the park. Job number 3, we need to dump a load of rocks off the bridge. Can you guys get the dump truck and excavator and come help?
Yeah, we are on the way. But get up later.
This is our mini excavator. The mini excavator makes digging very easy. It has a bucket attached to a long arm that reaches deep into the ground. It can dig a big hole in no time at all. This one's controlled by 2 levers. One controls how far it reaches, while the other controls the scooping.
My turn. I did a dinosaur.
What do we do with all the dirt that we've dug up? That's where the dump truck comes in. The dump truck has a bed that can be raised to dump its load.
Wait, roll me up! Oh, I dump. I need help. Hurry. Where'd you go? Don't worry, I'll get you out with the apparator. Big dump truck. Big apparator. No more monkeying around. We got work to do. Oh, you do. Can you go to work?
We use the dump truck to transport the dirt that we dug up from the mini excavator. Let's go fill this snake hole. Compact it nice and tight. Job number 2, wood chips at the park.
Up, cow. Get mother. Mama, Papa.
Job number 3, rocks off the bridge.
1, 2, 3, 4.